Angel here, so excited about this video. Today I want to talk to you guys about reframing your mind around the world too, but around the word failure. So often I work with women and men all over the world, and one of the biggest running emotions that they tell me that they experience is fear of failure. And I want you to think about a scientist. I want you to think about being in a lab. Could you imagine if you were a scientist and every time you tried something and something didn't work, you gave up, you threw in the towel, you said, I'm done with this? Every time a scientist has a failure, that's data for them. So if you guys go out here and you guys launch a class or a course and only one person takes the class and you're all upset about that, that's data. That gives you information on what you can do next time to get more people. Imagine if you didn't get that one person at all. That would mean that you weren't out there marketing and promoting, and you would have no data at all. So I want you guys to reframe the word failure and look at it as data. And the faster you get data / the faster you fail, the quicker you're going to get to your expertise, to your mastery, to your self-discovery. So you're not really afraid of failure. What you're really afraid of is the opinions of other people. And I know y'all don't want to hear that, but it really is if you think about it. If you were in your house, like if you said, I want to start working out, and you started working out and you were doing some jumping jacks and you fell over, right? No big deal. Nobody's around you. But if you say you want to start working out and you go to the gym and you start doing jumping jacks and you fall over, you trip over your feet, the first thing you're going to do is look around and see who saw you. So you see, you're not afraid of failure. You're afraid of the opinions of other people. And I'm going to say to you, like my pastor said to me, if you are over the age of 35 years old, you are too old to still be afraid to live your dreams. So I want you to think about that. What is failure now? Data. Good job.